Hi, welcome to the tutorial MVP in Kotlin. What is MVP? MVP is Model View Presenter, where model holds the data part of the application and presenter works as a bridge between model and view. And view is responsible for displaying data given to it from its presenter and pass the user input to the presenter also. And note that the view never communicates with model here directly. So here is the model view presenter architecture. Uh, when presenter listens any data change from model, it will update the view and and finally view updates the UI of Android applications. And when user gives the input via UI, then presenter listens the user input via view and it updates the model. MVP guidelines. Activity fragments and the custom view act as the view part of the applications. Generally, a view and the presenter are in a one-to-one relationship. That means a view must have one presenter and a presenter must have one view. One presenter class manages one view at a time, and we need to implement the interface to communicate between view and presenter and the model. Presenter basically responsible for handling the background tasks. Android SDK class must be avoided in the presenter class. And view and model class cannot have reference of one another. That means view will not hold the reference of model class and model will never hold the reference of view class. Let's take an example of model view presenter. We will implement a login applications now which have three inputs fields: name, email and password. First, we will create an interface inside model package, and here within the interface iUser declare val name string val email string and val password string, and declare a function fun. Is data valid and its return type is boolean. Now create a new class, its model class, name user, and we will inside declare a constructor of user val override val name string override val email string val password. and implement the interface iUser and override the implement members. Is data valid? Now inside is data valid, write if if name text utils is empty, name return false, and not pattern matches email address dot matcher email dot matches, then return false. And finally return true. Now we need to add more validations. Else if here, else text utils dot is empty password, return false, and here add else if text utils is empty is email return false, else if length ch return false. New packages and declare a presenter interface here. Inside presenter interface, declare fun, that means functional login, name string, email string and password string, and create a new package, say view, and inside view package create a new Kotlin class, sorry, interfaces, that means suppose I login view, and we need to declare to method here on login on success, and parameter is string, and another is failed, and login presenter, and declare internal val I login view, I presenter, and here declare a function on login, and parameter is name, email and password, val user and pass name, email and password, and val login success is user dot is data valid. If login success, then show the message else dot on failure, login failed. Now coming back to main activity, implements I login view, implements the data member, on success and on failure. Now declare internal latenit var and presenter of object of iPresenter, and inside onCreate iPresenter equals to login presenter. This now at click event to button login, button login dot set on click listener, iPresenter dot on login, pass the values of three edit text, email, name and password, name, email and password, name.text.toString, and similarly etmail text.toString and etpassword.text.toString, and display the toast here. If your login is successful, it will show successful message, and copy it message. Now test the application on real device. Suppose login failed, give the username and submit. Login failed. Now give the email. Login failed as it is not a valid email address. Now give the valid email address. Now submit. Still login failed, and enter the password of 6 digit. Now is success. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.